Hi guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the Kimbolton bronze box. You get 12 fireworks, 291 grams in the box. So you get your firework safety. You get a Catherine wheel, fire and ice, 9 grams. Get a large cone fountain, asteroid, 48 grams. 2 Roman candles, grasshoppers, 6 grams, 5 shots. Neptune creatures, 5 shots, 6 grams. You get a little cake, 14 grams. Get a mine, 60.7 grams, I think that is. You get a small cone fountain, 18 grams. Mostly all the other packaging in the box, really. Another fountain. It's a fountain battery, this one. 30 grams. Tiny fountain, 10 grams. Cat 2 still. 10 grams. Bar humbug. 15 grams. An old-fashioned rope that you set on fire to light it. And 5-star, which is a battery fountains. Again, not overpackaged. So yeah, that is the Kimbolton bronze selection box unboxing.